tell us the title?
Yes, this is called Maybe It's the Rain. Maybe it's the rain. Maybe it's the hole I just now noticed in the screen, or the thought I might not love you anymore, or that the car needs gasoline. Maybe it's just Sunday, or the way the shadows fall like concrete at this hour, or the thought I might not love you anymore, or that this milk is going sour. It's the strangest mood, it just keeps clutching. Could be anything or nothing. Maybe it's the rain. Maybe that I didn't hit the lotto yesterday, or the thought I might not love you anymore, or that the weekend feels so far away, or maybe